Well, isn't it Captain Bart? What are you doing on my sea?
Captain Jallet. I never knew you claimed ownership. You are really a madman.
Really? You say I am a madman?
Yes. You are bloody mad.
We will see about that. So I hear that you want to steal my Jamaican rum. But you have to get past my sword first.
All this over rum. I told you that you were crazy.
Don't try to insult me. It is not just rum. It is Jamaican rum.
So how do you plan on settling this? Obviously, I am between you and your damn Jamaican rum.
Well.
Tell you what. Let us split the rum 50-50.
No can do. 40-60.
You are being unreasonable. 50-50.
Nope. You don't care about the rum. So the best I will do is 45-55.
Fine. I will have some Jamaican jerk chicken with mine.
Jerk chicken? What is special about Jamaica jerk chicken?
You don't know? It is done pirate style.